What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Eber Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. As you can see, my hair is crusty and dry and all types of things that it should not be, and we're going to see if this deep conditioning mask is what's gonna bring it back to life. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. So I'm back like a booty crack with a heart attack. And we're back. I had to change that lighting because I just felt like it was too dark. And now my hair is basically almost dry. Y'all might crucify me because I was using a towel to dry my hair, but that's all I have to do. Anyways, I would just like to thank, his name is Eber. Y'all can see the name right here, for sending me these deep conditioning hair masks to try out. And as you can see on the front, this girl has straight hair. I have never seen anybody with natural hair try these hair masks, so I really don't know how it's gonna work out, because it's not something that you put in your hair. It's like an actual mask that you wrap around your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I need to get my hair wet again because this is like dry. I need to put it in a bun just in case, because I don't think my hair will be able to fit in this tiny mask.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on.
There's my little bun, and there it is. You can pass me scissors too, please? Yeah. Okay. Okay, and this is what it's looking like so far.
Go on with it, go on with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
I feel like a handicap, but I think this can work. Says, put the mask over your head and secure hair inside the mask. Make sure all the hair is tucked inside the mask. For long hair, wind it up and tuck it inside the mask securely. I'm wondering if I need this bun on the top of my head. Alright. Let's take it out. But let's keep it wrapped up. And can you help me, please? I have to ask my roommate to help me. Okay. Alright. No, yeah. I want to do something.
Bust a toast for the friends we take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored, then only said the road.
Oh, I can adjust this. Okay, it says adjust the mask until it's in the preferred position. Peel the sticker open and fix the mask to hold in place. Alright. So, okay. Something to peel off of this thing. Yeah. So here's the thing to peel off right here. So no, it's this part. Oh, it does. Alright, and there we go. And then alright. Okay. Wait, right. This is so weird.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
Toast.
Yeah. We lit. We not lit. So it says massage the mask into your hair for 2 to 3 minutes. leave the mask on your hair for 20 minutes. Wait, how am I massage the mask into my hair? Like, I just literally like, oh, it pop again. Stop, oh my god. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is leave this mask on like this for the 20 minutes with my heat cap, and then afterwards I am going to just massage the mask into my hair and all of that, because I don't know how I'm supposed to massage this into my hair while it's on my hair. I don't think it's going to get to every strand. Yeah, so I'll come back when my roommate goes for my cat, but in the meantime, let me show y'all. Let me give y'all a little 360. Boom. So yeah, this is what this mask is looking like. It's much bigger than I thought. It really is much bigger than I thought, because I did not think this would be able to hold over my hair. Alright, on the mask packaging, it says it's a 20-minute hair spa for up to 10-day results for softer, silkier, anti-frizz, the ultimate hydration for all hair types, sulfate and paraben free. I love that. And it says it is for all hair types. Well, a true Jamaican said all hair types. Wow, wow. Putting an H where it's not needed. Wow. Anyways, and we're counting down. So yeah, when 20 minutes is up, I'll be back. I'll take this off. I'm gonna take this off. And my head feels nice and warm. Oh, I need a selfie for the thumbnail. Pull off this thingy. I can actually feel the product right throughout my hair, and not just under my confused. I can feel it everywhere.
Yeah, even up here.
Yeah, that's weird.
Probably the heat or, you know.
Yeah, probably that helped. So I feel the product even on my skin. I don't know how that's possible. Yes, it wasn't there. You know? Not bad. I'm wiping every bit of product into this hair, and another thing, it smells amazing, honestly. Like, what? Now what I'm going to do is wash it out, and I'll be back. So once again, I would like to thank the company for sending me this product. I really like it, and since as it can hold on my big head, I think that it can hold on a lot of you naturals, because I was skeptical at first, but y'all saw what it did. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned. I may or may not be doing a giveaway with them in the future, so hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video, and see you in my next one.